you know, the last books of the Bible, that it say how them look for throw a rock on Jah picnic and Jah take the rock and make house. And make shelter. Jah say in Zephaniah 3, said the world him want to unite him world, they must come as one. And then His Majesty tell we say, when African righteous people come together, the whole world will come together.
And strengthen what I said when His Majesty come here in 1966. And him say him traveled many West Indian islands and I'm seeing African descendants. But when him come to Jamaica, him see Africa itself.
Jamaica,
yes,
the isle in the seas.
Yes,
Just say a dead message where it come from.
Yes,
you understand me?
Every time.
And you know the message of Africa. Because Africa are one, you know.
Yeah.
When you say Africa, the whole world, you know. It's split apart, the geology. And when you put the different pieces of the different continents, North America, South America, Europe, Asia, them fit like a jigsaw puzzle around Africa. Rastafari is out of the distant past in the present. Is that make when I hear the music that Jamaica is an African outpost in the West. And remember, you know, say it come in this movie, Land of Look Behind.
Yes, sir.
Because I Rastafari is a one who look to the beginning. A man say the only thing left to discover earth is the beginning. The way of righteousness. So we go to the land of look behind. And there manifest from the beginning. That time which was is now.
Rastafari.
There ain't nothing new on earth.
And him say in common, in the Ethiopian people struggle, the Jamaican people are with them. And in the Jamaican people struggle, the Ethiopian people are with them. And the Jamaican people and the Ethiopian people have a great part to play in world peace. So we know, say, a one people we virgin. That's why when him is Africa itself and come see us up.
He even show say Rastafari is the manifestation of Africa.
Jamaica, it is an African outpost in the West. Jamaica, it is an African outpost in the West. I say the African minister, he of the light of this hidden race. He was educated by a Jesse the African minister. He Jamaica, it is an African outpost in the West. Jamaica, sweet Jamaica, it is an African outpost.
Marcus Mosiah's article tell you say in an issue of a magazine in May 1920, Africans, we don't come here for fun, for entertainment, but to salvage the decadent Western civilization, right? And to give the world something to live for, rather than just to die for. I want to say, on the righteousness in nature that's so much.
Marcus Garvey, he on the African minister. He taught us to love and do all the good we should, to trod along the way each and every day. The African minister.
Majesty Garvey. Garvey organized America and the world. No one this man in him 40 something years. Only Jack could have sent him for that work then. Africa for the world.
Yes,
And that's a Rastafari. It's
the lighthouse.
the
It
lighthouse.
shine this to every crevice and corner of creation.
Look at the ice green and gold.
Rastafari.
Rastafari. More time people identify it more now with Rastafari and forget
Yes.
Ethiopia flag.
Rastafari.